Hello and welcome to the free tutorial for the piano version of Midnight Sky by Miley Cyrus. If you would like to take part in a more detailed 1 hour-long Zoom webinar tutorial for this song featuring easy workarounds, multiple playing options, a PDF of the arrangement and the chance to ask questions, see the description below to find the date, time and cost of the next webinar for this song. Midnight Sky. Okay, so this song is in E minor, which has 1 sharp. So the 1 sharp is the F sharp. And it follows, for the most part, a 4-chord, 4-bar sequence. And those chords are E minor, B minor, C, and A minor. And that repeats. Okay, so for the intro, the left hand plays the chords that we've just discussed, and the right hand plays a melody. So the left hand has little finger on B, index finger on E, and a G above. That's the E minor chord. And then we go to the B minor chord where we're keeping our little finger there and moving the other 2 down to a D and an F sharp. Then we go to a C, so everything moves up by a semitone. C, E, and G. And then we go down to the A minor, which is A, C, and E. Now the timing of that goes, the B minor and the A minor chords happen on the 4 and, while the E minor and the C go on the beat. So it goes 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that rhythm happens a lot through the verses and the choruses. Okay, so the right hand plays the melody starting on a B. So it goes B, A, D, B, and then it goes D, E, F sharp, E, D. Then we repeat the first bar, B, A, D, B, and then we do going down A, G, E. So the timing of that goes 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That comes around quite a bit as well. So the 2 hands together for the first 4 bars go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now the right hand is going to play that melody again, but this time we're going to add some chords below it. So on the first B, we're going to add a G and an E. And then when we go to the second B, we're going to move those 2 down to a D and an F to make the B minor chord. Then we're going to add the C chord underneath the B, C, E and G. Then it goes to the A minor, so we'll just take out the G and just play the C and the E again. This is the second half of the intro. So the second half of the intro in the right hand goes 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now the left hand that's been up here for the first 4 bars now goes down to here. And we're going to play more fifths and octaves for this bit. So we're going to start with an E and a B, and then we're going to go to a B, F sharp and B. If you can play the octave, great. Otherwise, just play the B and the F sharp down there. And then we go to the C and G. Then we go to the A minor, which is A, E, and A. Again, if that octave's too much of a stretch, go for the A and the E. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So the second half of the intro goes 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the whole intro, starting with the left hand here and the right hand there, goes 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. That's the intro. Now the verse is going to keep going with the same chord sequence. So the right hand is now going to play what the left hand did at the beginning of the intro. Same voicing, so B, E and G. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. But we're going to add the A minor on beat 4 as well. Well, the left hand plays a funky little bass line. So the timing of it is 1 and 2E and a 3. 1 and 2E and a 3. 4 and 2E and a 3. 4, 1 and 2E and a 3. 4 and 1 and 2E and a 3. 4, 1 and 2E and a 3. 4 and 1 and 2E and a 3. 4, 1 and 2E and a 3. 4 and 1 and 2E and a 3. 4. So that takes us through the first half of the verse. So it goes 2, 3, 4. It's been a long time and the mirror's telling me to go home. But it's been a long time since I felt this good on my own. A lot of years went by with my hands tied up in your ropes. Forever and ever, no more. We get up to there, we're going to the midnight sky's the road. It's going to start in a big C chord, so octave C's there, obviously just one C if you can't do the octave, G, C and E in the right hand. The midnight sky's the road I'm taking. We go to a D chord, A, D and F sharp in the right hand, then we get to an E minor, head high up in the clouds. So that's an B, E and G, and then we go to a B minor, B, D and F sharp. So we stop on beat 3. Oh, and that takes us up to the chorus. So we get to the chorus and we're going to go back to that same 4 chord, 4 bar repeat. And the right hand is back to the same voicings. Now the left hand is going to play an octave, almost disco. But we're going to move with the chord. I like to add a couple of 16th notes every now and then. Usually with the thumb in the left hand, okay? So that carries around on I Was Born to Run. 2, 3, 4. I was born to run, I don't belong to anyone. Oh no, I don't need to be loved by you. Can't bite the devil on my tongue. Oh no, I don't need to be loved by you. See my lips, and we're on C, my lips on her mouth. We're on a C chord. Everybody's talking now, baby. So we're going C to a D, and like we do in the bridge, E minor to a B minor, but that repeats. So this is on C, my lips on her mouth. Everybody's talking now, baby. Ooh, you know it's true that I was born to run. I don't belong to anyone. Oh no, I don't need to be loved by you. That takes us to the end of the chorus, and then we're going to play this little instrumental interlude. The right hand is playing the second half of the intro, while the left hand carries on with the chorus phrase. We're up to the second verse now. Second verse starts with just a little breakdown. She got her hair tied back because her sweat's dripping off of her face. Make mistakes. You should know right now that I never say put in one place forever and ever, no more. Repeat. The midnight sky's the road I'm taking, head high up in the clouds. Oh no. So we get to the second chorus, and it's a repeat of the first chorus. 2, 3, 4. I was born to run, I don't belong to anyone. Oh no, I don't need to be loved by you. That repeats, then we get to the see my lips on her mouth. Everybody's talking now, baby. Ooh, you know it's true. That I was born to run, I don't belong to anyone. Oh, I don't need to be loved by you. Then we're into this middle 8. We go to a C major 7, and we've got this little melody thing that happens in the right hand. So it's going to go B. This is all on quarter notes or crotchets. B, G, E, B. Then we're going to move to a D chord, and the melody is going to go A, F sharp, D, A. Then we get to an E minor, and we got G, E, B, G, and then we're going to go to a G chord, which we haven't seen yet. And the melody in the right hand is going to go E, D, B, A. Okay, so that little 4-bar bit, which is going to repeat under I Don't Hide Blurry Eyes, is going to go 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, F sharp, D, A, G, E, B, G, E, D, B, A. And then that repeats on I don't hide blurry eyes like you, like you. So there's a couple of tiny little differences. So it starts the same, and then the D goes A, F sharp, D, A. Same note, just an octave higher. Same thing happens on the E minor. So the B, rather than goes an octave higher, and then the last chord is a B major, and this is on like you, and that's with a D sharp there. And the melody in the right hand goes B, F sharp, D sharp. So that section goes from where we start singing I don't hide blurry eyes like you. So it goes 2, 3, 4. I don't hide blurry eyes like you, like you. And we're straight off. Now we're going to go to the soft chorus. So the right hand is going to play the same figure that we play in the left hand of the intro. Nice and soft. So it's B, E, and G. And it goes 2, 3, 4. I was born to run, I don't belong to anyone. Oh no, I don't need to be loved by you. Then add the left hand on the notes, on the root notes. Fire in my lungs can bite the devil on my tongue. Oh no, I don't need to be loved by you. Then we're going to come in with the beat again. See his hands, 2, 3. See his hands round my waist. Thought you'd never be replaced, baby. Ooh, you know it's true. That I was born to run, I don't belong to anyone. Oh no, I don't need to be loved by you. Then we're going to play that same interlude that happens after the first chorus. So the left hand is going to keep on going with the chorus phrase, while the right hand does the second half of the intro. 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to finish with the 4 bars that we start with. So the left hand's going to jump up to there, and the right hand's going to just play the melody. And it's going to stay there like that. So that last section, we'll call it the outro. So we've gone, I don't need to be loved by you. So it goes 2, 3, 4. I hope that tutorial was useful and you feel confident to play your own piano version. Click on the link to play along to the full piano version, and don't forget to check the description below if you would like to join one of my 1-hour live webinar tutorials for just £5. You can also order the sheet music for this and all piano versions from pianoversion.org. Subscribe to the channel to check out all the other piano versions of songs, as well as catching all new piano versions as soon as they are released. Please feel free to request any song that you would like to see a piano version of in the comments below. Thank you for watching.